Hi everyone, you're watching Shortcut to Shortcut. This video will take a look at applying filters to a particular video clip and also how you can easily apply the same filter to multiple video clips. So it's a real productivity hack, productivity tool. So stick around to watch the entire video. Alright, so let's look at this particular video clip. I have selected it and you can see that it occupies most of my screen. Let's say if I do want to add a filter and position this to one of the corners of the video, I can click on filters and add a filter to resize it and position it to a different area. So I drag the corners and position this video to one of the corners. So that's where I'm placing it. Now this works well for this particular video. As you can see, this works, but the moment it switches from one clip to another, you can see that it goes back to whatever the original setting was. Now that is because we have added this filter, this position where we have set it at the bottom left only to a single clip. But now this is no good if you want to add the same setting, the same position setting to all of the clips in your video. So you can have like 4 of them, or if you've already cut things out, you could have it for the entire track. Now imagine having to do this manually to click on each and every video and add the same filter over and over again. That is absolutely not fun. So you have 2 ways to solve this problem. Number 1 is I click on the track that already has that I've added this particular filter, and what I do is I just copy the checked filters. So I can copy the filters that I've added for this particular clip. Then if I click on another clip that I don't have that particular size and position filter, as you can see, what I do is I click on it, go back to filters, and then just click this particular button to paste the filters in the same clip. Now what this has done is that it has copied all the checked filters from my original clip and pasted the same checked filters in this new clip. Now this is useful because you don't have to set all of these positions over and over again, but you still have to copy paste the filters manually. It also copies the filters that might already exist before. So as you can see, it has copied the crop circle once again, which I probably don't want. So I'll have to manually remove that. Or we have option number 2. Now this, my friends, is the easiest option of them all. Now if you know that a particular track, video 3 track, all the items in this track have the same exact filter, same exact setting, then what you need to do, instead of clicking each individual video clip, you just click on the track itself, click on filters, and then click on the plus button to add the filter over here. Now I can resize this to whatever preference I have, position it over here, and then this, my friends, applies this filter to all of the clips in this particular track, saving you a lot of trouble. So if I just click this and let it play in the background, you can see all of the clips has got the same exact filter, and I only had to do this setting once. That was it. That was so easy. So I would highly recommend doing option number 2 if you already know in advance that all the clips have the exact same filter to be applied. That's it for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and do comment down below and let me know what you liked about this video. Do also share this video with your network and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Alright, I'll see you in another video. So it is bye for now.